원래 웃고 시작하는 거야.
Hello guys, we're here because you guys wanted him to become and
Him?
I'll be his translator.
Hi. 나는 I'm 찬우. I mean, yeah, I'm
for Style Korean,
a member of brand management team.
and you guys might know me. I was in the Eddie's video last time.
It's almost technically the same, isn't it? Just the ball size is
The
different.
way ball size is different, the way they throw is different.
We don't discriminate ball sizes.
Oh, honey.
They're all equal.
That is very good.
Censored.
I'm Sam. I'm in the marketing team still surviving. As you guys see, we're sitting here like this compact sofa. Maybe we're too big for each other. Look at this ugly feel. Maybe they provided on purpose. So
Yeah, on
so
purpose.
What's the type of today? What's the concept for today?
Christmas gift.
Christmas gift.
We're gonna introduce some Christmas products that you guys want to give it to your friends, your families, your crush.
So what's your first gift?
What's your ideal type?
My ideal type? Oh, you mean you asked me my ideal type?
Oh my god, PD님 어떡해. 잘생겼는데 바보 같아. Oh, 그래. Just kidding.
I mean,
I don't know, like it's already listed in this table, so we'll explain one by one, and then you guys choose what you guys want to do. I will go for this Laneige. How do I say it in English? Laneige.
라네즈.
Laneige. In Korean, Laneige. It's a lip sleeping mask. I saw this in the description. It says before you go to sleep, you put this on, and the next day you wake up, it helps you to moisturize the whole night, and then it's easy to remove the day after.
You haven't tried that before?
Never tried it though. Remember the time I took a video with Eddie, and he said I have a worst lip.
Worst lip.
Yeah, worst lip ever. Yeah, maybe go for my girlfriend for the next day kissing. You know. Oh, it's actually $1 deal right now, so it's actually good for.
While you're slapping on it.
Oh.
Yeah, I love those kind of.
So do you actually slap it like that? 조선미녀? How do you say that in English?
Beauty of Joseon.
Beauty of. There must be a beast of Joseon. Okay. I tried everything here. My favorite is definitely this one.
Oh, what is that?
This one is a mixture of ginseng and snail. What is it? How do you read it? Musin?
Mucin.
Musin.
Yeah.
Okay. This is my favorite because I like using like functional serums, like 2 or 3 at the same time. But this one is multifunctional.
Multifunctional.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like ginseng and snail together.
Yeah, and this is an ampoule, so it's more like compact version of serums. So
잘하네.
for goodies, yeah, for goodies for sure.
I tried this, like a few days ago. I'm still using it. It's not too creamy, not too watery. It has a unique texture, I think. Yeah, that's why it's selling one of the most top sellers.
So what you put on today?
Last night maybe. When I applied this on my face, it gave me, I don't know, it brightens
It brightens, yeah.
and then cools down immediately.
Like I just realized that he's speaking in British accent. And I was like, yeah,
It's not British at all, I think.
that's a British accent. So you
Totally
yeah,
British accent.
yeah.
I
But I
think
like it though. I like
it's
it.
kind of mixed. I'm messed up.
So New York and from British accent. And I'm gonna go with the New York accent. So.
New York
Let me
accent.
drink coffee first. So move on. The TOCOBO lip balm collection. 근데 이게 신기한 게 I thought TOCOBO is only usually famous for
Sunscreen?
Sunscreen and sunscreen. Yeah, he knows that. 근데 look at this packaging. Like,
Yeah, the packaging is
packaging is sick.
sick.
This is our tinted, except this yellow one. I started using this yellow one, for vitamin nourishing. Like it receives all the vitamins from outside, especially from the sun, and you can use it as like moisturizing. I mean, I'm just using for just a reference, but guys, use this one. For the guys who don't want to make lips like this, use this one, okay?
Looks like this.
Guys don't wear.
I don't think.
I mean, you guys can use it, but it looks like, for me, it looks like weird.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
I just made him awkward. Yeah, I need to remove it. actually. As soon as I came to the studio, I saw this package. This is like, look at like premium package now. I didn't even know that this package is available in style Korean, but wow.
I'm pretty sure the package is more expensive than
Exactly, the product.
the product inside.
This is cream inside and the serums. So it has some Hatuinia cordata. Hatuinia cordata. Soothe trouble and sensitive skin caused by external stimuli and cleanses pores.
The tea tree.
Yes, tea tree.
The main ingredient.
You know, like you go for a tea tree extract. This actually helps to not minimize pores, but like soothe the pores.
아니 난 준비한 게 없어.
나도 준비 안 했는데.
써본 경험밖에 없어 나는. Abib, my
네.
favorite brand.
네, 에리가 이렇게.
매니저처럼.
그러니까 내가 매니저인데. But this is also my favorite.
많이 드시네.
Yeah, because they were top sellers in Korea.
Oh.
ILLIYOON. Unfortunately, it wasn't that famous overseas.
Oh.
마케팅을 안 했나?
Some.
근데 I like this package. Looks like a plant. Like asparagus.
Usually Essence is like a split. Usually.
Yeah, this is hygienic.
Also pumping.
This is pumping type.
It's actually I was kind of like impressed about this product.
You tried that before?
Yeah, I had a video about it. You guys might see it in my video on
Yeah.
Instagram. Style Korean Global.
So the main ingredient of this product is Heartleaf. It's just like it just soothes and heals, just calms your skin. Yeah, and good for acne skin. But this one is actually connected with this. Oh shit. Heartleaf series. They're actually same brand. After using this toner, you apply this one, and then they merge it. Yeah.
That's the last one. The last step.
Yeah. A merger one is white texture. I don't know.
Wider. Yeah, try it on. Try
It's
it
just
on. Yeah, try on my
This one is more of what is that?
clear color.
Dewy looking, and I put that on every morning.
Yeah, this
Skin
is
Chansa.
also Skin Chansa. That's his brand also.
Yeah.
He's taking care of, but I'll explain it because maybe
So
he's
good.
tired. So this is packaging is also Ampoule kit.
Yeah.
It's kind of light.
Try to open it.
Yeah, try to open it. Is
Yeah.
wow! Look at this. Look at it.
Madagascar.
This is Madagascar.
Yeah.
This is the background.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This is their signature thingy.
Yeah, their theme. And the size, I thought it was gonna be really small, like compared to the
It's 30 milliliters, twice as bigger.
and have all 4 different types of Ampoule.
What do they have?
They have Centella Ampoule made of pure Centella from Madagascar. I think this is the original one.
Yes.
This is the original. Oh, I was right. Okay. And this is tone brightening capsule Ampoule. This is actually for.
And that was picked by James Welch
Oh yeah.
for
James
the
Welch.
best items of the year.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, James Walsh, but this is my #1 pick. They contain Cica. Actually, Cica is actually good for oily and sensitive skins. So this is all different kinds of concepts. And then I'll introduce another skin 천사.
How do you read it in English?
Oh my god, PD님 어떡해. 잘생겼는데 바보 같아.
Skin 1004.
Okay.
Well, it's Skin Angel.
Yeah,
'cause-
천사 means angels in Korean.
Yeah, I'll just go with Skin 천사. And then this is a Centella Ampoule form. This is actually mixed with Ampoule, like have ingredients of Ampoule and the cleansing form. Usually, like when you cleanse it, you still have some like micro dust in your face. I heard this one actually helps to remove your micro dust in your face, and also it's Ampoule inside, so it actually helps to like moisturize your skin, like even when you wash with your skin form. No,
Have you tried that before?
you didn't give me a sample for this, so
Okay, you can have it now.
He's a brand manager. He's a brand manager, and he didn't even give me one for the marketing purposes. So.
ILLIYOON. How do you read that? Ceramide Atoll Concentrate
Cream.
Cream. 이거 대해서 말할 게 없어. It's very creamy in the beginning, but in the end, just vanishes. 잠깐 이거를 캡슐을 보여줘야 되는데. They have
capsule.
lots of capsules in it. Ceramide capsules. 이거는 yeah. 이거 뭐였니? Oh, yeah, this is vegan actually.
Oh.
Yeah, it's dermatologically tested for the allergic
allergic.
Yeah, the sensitive skin.
His hand is like totally moisturized. I'll explain. He's supposed to explain, but I'll explain.
You should smell that first.
Hand Creme type G.
Try this.
It says
Try
Creme.
sniff it.
It says Creme.
Their name is a bit too aesthetic.
Look at this like packaging. It's kind of unique.
You know, they have 5 different kinds of types.
Oh, it smells like kind of herbal. Somehow kind of herbal thing.
You know what G stand for?
Ginseng?
No. There's a tree called Gaiac. Smoky, isn't it? Smoky and woody.
Yeah, like, oh,
맞지?
맞아. 근데 이거 진짜 한의원 냄새. 진짜.
Do you like it though?
I like it though.
She doesn't like it. But
냄새.
it starts from Hanbang,
어.
like Korean traditional, like the smell, but the finish is like incense.
Incense, yeah, incense. Yeah.
약간 more of a manly한 냄새.
Yeah. So this is it. So we told our stories, our products for Christmas, and especially don't miss this chance for $1 because it's gonna be available for only for a few days or only one day. 하루만 그러나? This products will always be available in stock Korean for Christmas. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on sale.
Yeah.
So don't miss this chance. Okay, Merry Christmas and
And happy
New Year.
New Year.
So bye.